Hello guys, today we will learn about how to uninstall Ubuntu or remove Ubuntu from our system. So for that, go to start menu and type cmd, and here you have to run as administrator. So click on that and our command prompt will open. Then here in this command prompt we will have to type command that is bcdedit slash enum firmware. Okay, it will what it will do is it will okay wait bcd or there is more. So what this will do is list all the system available in our system, that is operating system like windows, ubuntu, or any usb connected to our system. Okay, so now what you have to do is search for ubuntu. So here you can see there is ubuntu and we have to copy the identifier of that ubuntu. So let's copy it. Okay, then copy, then we have to write a command that is bcdedit slash delete. Okay, bcdedit slash delete, and then we have to paste that id, sorry, yeah, paste that id. Let's copy again, and now let's copy paste that. And then this will remove our ubuntu from our system. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to simply click the type enter, yeah, and then it says the operation is successful. So now our ubuntu is successfully installed. So to check that, we have to type that same command bcdedit enum and firmware, right? So here you can see there is no ubuntu in our system anymore. So close the command prompt and again go to the start menu, then type disk over there, and here you can see create and format hard disk partition. Click there. Now it will we have to unallocate this space, right? So right click in that healthy primary partition return, where healthy primary partition is written, right click there and delete volume. Then here it says the selected some read that command. Okay, that's it says that then here we have to click yes. It will create free space for us. Then after that you may not have to remove all that thing, because here I have two LD primary partitions, so I will be removing both. So delete partition, right? Then but only remove that which have the healthy primary partition. Okay, now you can see there is free space. Now we have to delete partition, then we get this an unallocated space. Now what we have to do is we have to merge this unallocated space in our new volume drive, D or E drive or F drive. Okay, so for that we will be doing an E. So right click on E, then extend volume. Okay, right click on E, then extend volume. Okay, then next, then it will take all the unallocated space. Then we have to click, after that we have to click next, then next, completing the, okay, finish. Okay, so in this way our ubuntu is completely removed from our system. So that's it. Thank you.